In this video, I will show how to fix Windows upgrade error code 0x80090011. Click on Start, Settings, Troubleshoot, Other troubleshooters. Now you will see the Windows update run on Windows Update. Follow the suggestions which you see here. And once this is complete, click on Start. Type CMD, run as administrator. Now type this command. Now click on Yes and restart your system. / scan now. Then press enter and complete this scanning. Once this scanning complete, again click here, CMD, run as administrator. Now this time you have to complete this second scanning. I will give both command in description, so copy and paste one by one. And once this complete, restart your system. So this way you can fix this problem. Thanks for watching.